matrices and determinant. First, there is a symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Let A be any square matrix. Let A be any square matrix if A transpose equal to A. If A transpose equal to A, then A is called symmetric matrix. And if A transpose equal to minus A, then if A transpose equal to minus A, then A is called skew symmetric. Then A is called skew symmetric. For example, here A, हमें सिमेट्रिक का एग्जांपल बनाना है तो क्या करते हैं? फर्स्ट यू राइट एनी एलिमेंट इन फर्स्ट रो 1 2 3, राइट सेम इन सेकंड फर्स्ट कॉलम. जो हमने फर्स्ट रो में लिखा है वही हमने फर्स्ट कॉलम में लिख दिया. दिस इज द 4 5, यहां भी 5 आ गया, इट्स 6. अब क्या सिमेट्रिक है, इसको चेक करना है. चेक करने के लिए क्या करें? इफ यू प्रूव इट्स ट्रांसपोज इक्वल टू ए, then you can say that the matrix itself is symmetric. It means that is find A transpose, then that is 1 2 3 2 4 5 3 5 6. क्या करते हैं? To find the transpose, interchange rows and columns. रो को कॉलम बना दीजिए, कॉलम को रो बना दीजिए. Then that is equal to A. Therefore, A is symmetric matrix. Then A is called symmetric matrix. Take another example for skew symmetric. Let B equal to, first to write, because in a skew symmetric matrix all elements on the main diagonal are 0. First to write its main diagonal. Write any element in first row, then write the negative of these in first column. Write its 3, it minus 3. Check it is symmetric or not. It means how to prove, how to check. It means if you prove its transpose equal to minus B, यदि B का transpose minus B के equal आता है, then we can say that it is skew symmetric. For example here, then find B transpose equal to 0 1 2 minus 1 0 3 minus 2 minus 3 and 0. माइनस B निकालिए. 0 minus 1 minus 2 1 0 minus 3 2 3 and 0. That equal to B transpose. So therefore B is skew symmetric matrix. There are some theorems. B is skew symmetric matrix. There are some properties. Write property. First property. It means A plus B transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. A plus B transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. सेकेंड, इफ यू टेक डबल ट्रांसपोज, पहले वैसे लिखवा चुका हूं मैं ये. थर्ड, K into A transpose equal to K times A transpose. Fourth, A into B transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. These are the property based on the transpose. Then take the question. ये आपका CBSE में आया हुआ इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, show that A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix and A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix. It means question आपको प्रूव करना है. It means if A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, show that A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix and A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix. It means हमें किसी मैट्रिक्स को सिमेट्रिक प्रूव करना है, तो हमें क्या प्रूव करना है? If we prove transpose of the matrix is equal to the matrix itself, then it's symmetric. But for skew symmetric, transpose of any matrix equal to minus negative of that matrix is called skew symmetric. Then solution देखिए. इनमें A आपको दिया हुआ है 1, 2, 3, 4. Find A transpose. 1, 2, 3, 4. तो सबसे पहले किसको प्रूव करना है? हमें प्रूव करना है A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix. Now A plus A transpose, let it be equal to P matrix. Now P equal to A plus A transpose, क्या करें? दोनों को ऐड कर दीजिए आप. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 2 5 and 4 plus 4 8. It means here A plus A transpose, and but question is check it's symmetric or not. It means then find P transpose. Then P transpose, that is 2, 5, 5, 8 equal to P. So therefore, A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix. It means A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix. Also, second क्या है? हमने A minus A transpose, हमने इसको Q ले लिया. A minus A transpose, हमने इसको Q कंसिडर किया. It means A minus A transpose, this equal to, दोनों को माइनस कर दीजिए आप. That is 0, minus 1, 1, 0. It means तो हमें इसको चेक करना है it is skew symmetric or not. It means then find Q transpose. 0, minus 1, 1, 0. Find minus Q. 0, 1, minus 1, 0. That is Q transpose equal to minus Q. Therefore, A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix. It means A minus, that is हमने क्या प्रूव कर दिया? Q minus equal to minus Q. Therefore, A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix. A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix.